This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm. During periods of potentially severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties in Indiana: Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Pulaski, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert, and in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under Local Information. We now return to normal programming.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of lake. Open waters from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, showers and isolated thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 20 nautical miles west of St. Joseph to 7 nautical miles northwest of St. Joseph Light, moving south at 10 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Showers and isolated thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts will remain mainly over the open waters.